Python password rules validation. I'm practicing some Python and I'm having trouble understanding why this code won't take. Function takes a string and if it's at least 10 characters in length, has at least one digit, one lowercase, and one uppercase letter, it should return true. Also, there's gotta be a more succinct way to write this than I did with all these nested conditionals. Thanks all.
The following should work, and removes the unnecessary imports. You can iterate over strings by default, and each string has the isDigit, iAllow, etc. Methods that you can use. The any method returns true if any of the values returned by an iterable pass to it is true, and the something value for value in iterable syntax creates a generator expression, which iterates over each character of the string and checks whether it's a digit / lowercase / uppercase character. Based on this answer, benchmark time, with my horrible benchmark code, but it seems to do the job. The results, on my low-end tablet running Windows 7 and Python 3.4.x, run it 2 times to be sure. However, given a semi-incorrect input of 1 size, length and digits are good, but all uppercase, some solutions fail to stop early. Note that these benchmarks don't take into account eventual edits. I suggest you run the benchmark on your own machine using the latest answers. Feel free to update this post with new results.
One unique way of doing it would be to use a bit mask. This scales well for large inputs and stops as early as it can. Here is what I think to be an optimized regex solution with non-greedy positive lookaheads that stops as soon as possible. However, I am not a regex expert, so if you have any optimization ideas, let me know. From some further testing, I've determined that this is a bit faster and is probably the fastest solution so far for both correct and incorrect inputs, at least with a highly optimized regex module.
You can use 3 generator expression with any function within all. Demo.